Okay, so for my next beauty challenge, I'm going to try charcoal toothpaste. It's not actually the charcoal out of your barbecue, it's activated charcoal, which works as an absorbent. And as far as toothpaste, it is supposed to attract the dirt and surface stains on your teeth to make them appear whiter. Now, I drink a lot of coffee every single day, and I love red wine, so if anyone's going to see a difference on surface stains, it's probably going to be me. It is messy, dirty on my hands. Oh my god. First word of advice, don't do this in a white shirt. It makes a mess. I feel like I need to brush my teeth again. So that's a wrap on charcoal toothpaste. I did it every day for a week. It's a mess. It was a process. Every time I brush my teeth, I had to wipe down the sink after. Also, the texture is extremely gritty. I felt like it was working as an exfoliant on the first layer of my teeth. It doesn't taste great. It's chalky, and the residue that got stuck in my teeth, I had to floss multiple times a day. The results I saw were extremely minimal. All in all, I will probably never use this again, but I'm happy I tried it, and now you don't have to. Have a beauty trend you want to see tried but aren't ready to try it yet? Comment below.